What's up, everyone? Here we are again. So for today we are going to see how we can export a Figma design or Figma like a finished product in Figma that we've been designing, and export it to our device as a photo in whatever kind of format you would choose, PNG, JPG, or whatever. So today, without wasting much of your time, let's see how we can export it in Figma. Open our Figma up. This is an empty one. So we are going to import a photo to this Figma file that we want to edit. So here is the image I want to edit in Figma. There we go. Oh, it's too large. Let's make it small or fit into our Figma file. There we go. So let's make a small edit to this photo before we see how we can export it. So let's draw a simple rectangle here. There we go. And here, let's give this one eyedropper, this color, and then this one, reduce its opacity. There we go. That's it. I like rounded shapes. Let's make this rounded, like rounded shapes. This also. Yeah, that's it, just to show you how to export any design that you've been designing in Figma. That's it. So let's group them. Select all, then Control G. Let's name this one. Let's rename to Figma design photo, just to make sense. Okay, so you see, we select the Figma design photo. You may click here or here on the photo itself. Then you move down to the bottom of this right side. You see this word export. Yeah, click on export, move down. So export Figma design photo. This is the name that we gave to our photo, Figma design photo. And here there is different formats you can choose. You can choose JPG, SVG, PDF, whatever. But for our part, let's choose PNG. These are things are not necessary, but if you want to export it, just click on export Figma design photo. Yeah, but before maybe you export, let's click on preview, see how the photo is. Same as this side. Then click on export Figma design photo, whatever name you give to your photo. See this word, it is exporting. Just wait until it is finished. Okay, this pop-up is asking you where to save the file from on your device. You can make another name, but let's leave the original name for the photo in the Figma. Then click on save. It's done. Let's check and see if it's already there. See, the photo is there already. Open it and see. Yeah, so here is your photo. So that's the end. Just very simple. If you've been confused on how you can export your design that you've been designing in Figma as a photo, maybe you've been designing a thumbnail, you've been designing whatever, post, card, banner, whatever. In Figma, that's the simple way you can export your photo in Figma. So that's the end of the video. If you like my video, please like it. And if you really want to see the future videos from Simple Codes, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Your comments are necessary for me to know where I'm doing best or where I need to improve and what you want me to do in the future. So until